My video will help you to remove the online scam that is related to the site defenseanalysisreport.com. Defenseanalysisreport.com is a new malicious site. Right now it attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to make them scared about the condition of their computer. The website defenseanalysisreport.com actually claims that your PC may have been infected. So it tries to mislead you and to make you interact with all these pop-ups. If you click on this proceed button, you will be then redirected to some malicious websites that promote some junk software. So it's a mistake to interact with these fake alerts. Also, don't click on this allow button, otherwise you will start receiving a lot of pop-ups in the form of push notifications. If you have clicked on allow, be sure to fix your browser by going to the menu, then settings, privacy and security, site settings. In permissions, choose notifications and carefully research the websites allowed to send notifications and remove any junk sites from this list. Finally, I recommend that you thoroughly examine your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus by going to the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.